Hey Caitlin, you should show me some tricks, man. Let's see what you got.
Right now?
Yeah. Give me your best shot right now.
Alright. Hit me with your best shot!
Nice.
Hold on.
You gotta like get in the mental state. Come on.
Oh!
That was nice.
No, I messed up.
Yeah. Back she goes. Are you coming back for more?
Yeah, off the curb.
Oh shit. Okay. No pressure.
I almost ran into the rocks.
Okay.